I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome using too much RAM. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open a menu. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu and then click Performance on the left side of the screen that opens. Step 3. Navigate down to the Memory section and then click to toggle on Memory Saver. You'll see a menu where you can choose Moderate, where your tabs will become inactive after a longer period of time. Balanced will make your tabs inactive after an optimum period of time to save memory, or Maximum, where your tabs will become inactive after a shorter period of time, but will yield the greatest memory savings in Google Chrome. Regardless of your choice, this feature frees up memory from tabs you aren't currently using, so active tabs have more resources. If you want to see exactly what is eating your memory, you can do that through the Google Chrome Task Manager. You can get there by doing the following. Step 1. Click the 3 dots again to open a menu. Step 2. Click More Tools to open a submenu, and then click Task Manager in the submenu. The Task Manager window opens. Step 3. Make sure Tabs and Extensions is selected, and then click to sort the items by memory footprint to see the Google Chrome tasks that are using the most memory. Step 4. Review the list of open tabs and extensions using the most memory. Click on any item using an unusually high amount of RAM, and then click End Task to close it immediately. You may see some extensions in this list. To remove memory-heavy extensions you see in this list permanently rather than closing them temporarily, click to open the 3 dots menu again, select Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Click the Remove button for any extensions you don't use regularly, as these run in the background and consume memory even when you aren't using them. One of the most effective ways to manage Chrome's memory usage is to simply limit the number of tabs you keep open simultaneously. Each tab in Chrome runs as its own individual process, which is great for stability but terrible for your RAM. If you find yourself needing to save dozens of pages for later, consider using a tab management extension or Chrome's built-in reading list feature. This allows you to close the active tab and remove it from your RAM while still keeping the link easily available for when you actually need to read it. Another thing to check is your hardware acceleration settings. You can find this by clicking to open the 3 dots menu, clicking Settings, and then clicking System. Hardware acceleration is associated with the Use Graphics Acceleration When Available option. While hardware acceleration is intended to speed up things like video playback by using your graphics card, it can sometimes cause memory leaks or high resource usage on certain systems. Toggling this off and restarting the browser can often provide a more stable experience. Also, make sure you are running the 64-bit version of Chrome if your computer supports it, as it is much better at managing large amounts of memory than the older 32-bit version. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.